fresh apple, juicy oranges, red lumpy tomatoes, ice cream, small potato. Come, buy.
Amma, can we buy one orange? Yes, she gets an orange. Amma, why is it called an orange? Because it is one orange and it starts with the oval. Oh, so it is an orange. Amma, is this apple called an apple? Yes, she all correct. Amma, is this carrot called a carrot? No, carrot starts with C and it's a consonant, Amma.